Hi, welcome back. Want to make a quick text change without writing a prompt? Here's how. Open any presentation you want to edit by clicking edit button right there. And let's say I want to change something in this slide. Click the edit text in the toolbar, and every text element on the slide appears as a separate editable field on the right. Let's say I want this sentence to be gone, or you can just add something to be added to this slide in this text section. But I just want to delete the sentence. I'm just deleting it and then clicking on apply changes, and it will consume 5 credits like it's shown in here. And voila, the text I deleted is gone. And let's say I want to change something in this slide. Maybe I just want to edit the title of it. I'm just clicking on edit text, and there I'm seeing this title, and I want to change it to this title. And I am clicking on apply changes. And that's it. Clean, simple, and straight to the point. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?